In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Docusign link simple, 5 minutes. Getting a Docusign link is all about setting up your document so the system can generate and send a secure URL to your recipients. Here's how to do it smoothly from start to finish. First, sign into your Docusign account using the standard sign-in page. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option to start a new envelope. Click Start to upload the document you want signed. You can drag and drop a file from your computer or browse to select it. A quick tip, use a clear file name so recipients recognize what they're signing, and make sure your document is finalized before uploading. Next, add your signers. Enter each signer's name and email address carefully, since the secure link will be delivered to these emails. If you have more than one signer, add them all here. You can also include yourself if you need to sign as well. Accuracy matters. One typo can delay the process. Now prepare the document for signing. You'll see a set of fields you can place on the page. Drag and drop the signature field where the person needs to sign, and add supporting fields like date signed or text where information must be filled in. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct signer. If your document has multiple pages, take a moment to zoom in and place fields precisely so nothing overlaps important text. When in doubt, add a required tag so recipients can't finish without completing key fields. When everything looks right, send it, click send to finalize, and launch the envelope. You'll see options to edit the email subject and message so recipients know exactly what the document is about and why their signature is needed. Keep it short and clear. After you send, Docusign instantly emails a secure signing link to each recipient. They can open the link from any device, review the document, and sign electronically. You'll receive updates as they complete their part, and the final signed copy will be stored in your account and delivered to the parties automatically. That's it. By uploading your file, adding your signers, placing the right fields, and clicking send, you trigger the system to generate and deliver the Docusign link securely. No extra sharing steps required. For peace of mind, remind recipients that the link is unique to them and shouldn't be forwarded. If an email doesn't arrive, have them check spam or promotions and double check the address you entered. You can also resend the invitation from the same envelope with just a click.